on our endothelium is another protein called as thrombomodulin. Here is present thrombomodulin which binds with the thrombin, and now when it binds with thrombin, it converts protein C to its activated form. And now what is the function of protein C? Protein C helps degrade clotting factor, two clotting factors 5 and 8. So here are three things that helps our blood flowing through our vessel without forming clot. So first thing is nitric oxide and prostaglandin that is released by endothelium, and that keeps our platelets inactivated. The second thing is our endothelium has heparin sulfate which binds with the endin-thrombin 3, and it keeps our clotting factor 2, 9 and 10 degraded in their degraded form. And then there is the third thing, that is thrombomodulin, which binds with the thrombin, and it keeps it activates the protein C, which further degrades two clotting factors 5 and 8. Now this was the thing that. And the third thing is thrombomodulin. Thrombomodulin binds with thrombin, and thrombin converts protein C to its activated form, and then protein C degrades factor 5 and 8. This was the mechanism how our blood flow keeps flowing to our blood vessels. Now we will study an injury in our blood vessel. Whenever there is an injury, consider here is an injury. So there is endothelial layer damage. First step we have studied, that is vascular spasm. Now how vascular spasm occurs? Whenever there is endothelial injury, our injured endothelial cells release endothelin. And endothelin is a potent vasoconstrictor. So first thing that helps in vascular spasm is endothelin, which is released by our injured endothelial cells, and that helps immediate vascular spasm. Second thing is myogenic mechanism. What is myogenic mechanism? We know that here is endothelial layer, this is subendothelial layer, and what is this? This is smooth muscles. Whenever there is direct injury, like whenever we are having injury, there must be some myoblasts which are getting affected. So whenever there is direct injury, due to direct injury, there is myogenic mechanism, means that there is contraction of smooth muscle cells, and that helps in vascular spasm. So second thing is myogenic mechanism, which occurs due to direct injury to the myoblasts, to our smooth muscle cells, and whenever there is direct injury to the smooth muscle cells, they contract, and this is how vascular spasm occurs. Third thing is nociceptors. We know here are nociceptors present. Whenever there is an injury, they will activate. When they will active, they will cause pain, and pain itself causes the pain blast to cause contraction. These are the three things that helps in vascular spasm. First one is endothelin release, which endothelin receptors are present on myoblast, and whenever it binds with it, myoblast cell will contract. Second thing is myogenic mechanism, which is direct injury to this smooth muscle cell, and they will contract. Nociceptors causes pain, and pain stimulate the smooth muscle cells, and they will cause contraction. This is how vascular spasm occurs. Second thing is platelet plug formation. Now, whenever our endothelium is injured, our subendothelium gets exposed. Subendothelial, as we know that it is having collagen, fibroblasts, and extracellular matrix. Whenever this injury occurs, here is present von Willebrand factor and collagen. Both these things now exposed to circulation, and in circulation we are having platelets. Platelets will sense these two factors, and they will run towards the von Willebrand factor and collagen, and they will bind with the von Willebrand factor and collagen and will start aggregating here. So they will run to the site of injury, because von Willebrand factor has platelets has receptor for von Willebrand factor, okay, and as well as for collagen. So they will come in contact with the von Willebrand factor and collagen. Whenever our endothelium is injured, they will run towards the site of injury and they will start accumulating there. In circulation, they have round disc shaped structure, like shape. Whenever they are coming towards the site of injury, they change their shape, because they gets activated, and